Hello guys, today in this video I will teach you how to get your Facebook page post, and show in your website. Don't worry about code, I have done for you. You can download it free, link in description. And it is responsive too. First click a link given in description and you will end up in this page. Now download the project and scroll a little bit. Now click in first link to create in Facebook app. After you click you will come in this page. Click on create app. Select business, and next, give your app name, and click on create app. After you create app, now go in second link to create Facebook access token. So here we need to paste your page ID. To get page ID, open your Facebook page, click more, click about, and scroll a little bit, and there's your page ID. Copy page ID and paste it in Graph Explorer. After you paste here, select your Facebook app, and click on Get Tokens and select Page Access Token. And make sure you select your page. Now let's paste page ID and generate once again. After you generate access token, make sure you extend token time, because this access token expires too soon. So to extend token, click on I button and click Open an access token page. After you click here, you will be redirected to this page. Now scroll down and click on Extend access token. Now you have new access token which have 1 year of expiring time. So you have your access token and you have your page ID, so let's go in script.js and paste them there. It's time to run index.html. So here you go, your Facebook page post is here. And if you want to keep in your website you just need to link script. Include this div which have ID post. All your data is coming here, so you need just this div tag. Thank you guys, hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have anything else to ask, then ask me in comment.